Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of being your own boss and having the freedom to work from anywhere in the world? If so, freelancing could be the perfect solution for you. With the rise of technology and remote work, more and more people are turning to freelancing as a way to make a living. In this ultimate guide, we will explore how you can transform your side hustle into a full-time success by making big money with freelancing. Identify your niche. The first step in becoming a successful freelancer is identifying your niche. What skills do you possess that are in demand in the market? Whether it's graphic design, writing, coding, or social media management, finding your niche will allow you to focus your efforts and stand out from the competition. Build an impressive portfolio. Once you have identified your niche, it's time to build an impressive portfolio that showcases your skills and expertise. Potential clients want to see examples of your previous work before they hire you for their projects. Start by offering your services at discounted rates or even for free initially, just to build up a strong portfolio that demonstrates what you're capable of. Market yourself effectively. Freelancers often struggle with finding clients because they don't know how to effectively market themselves. Utilize online platforms such as LinkedIn, Upwork, or Fiverr where potential clients actively search for freelancers like yourself. Additionally, create a professional website and utilize social media channels such as Instagram or Twitter to showcase your work and attract potential clients. Set competitive rates. Determining how much to charge can be challenging when starting out as a freelancer. Research industry standards and take into account factors such as experience level and complexity of projects when setting rates for different services offered. Remember, it's important to find a balance between charging enough to make a profit and remaining competitive in the market. Network. Networking is crucial for freelancers looking to expand their client base. Attend industry events, join online communities or forums related to your niche, and actively engage with potential clients and fellow freelancers. Building strong relationships can lead to referrals and repeat business. Provide exceptional customer service. One of the keys to success as a freelancer is providing exceptional customer service. Always communicate promptly and professionally with your clients, meet deadlines consistently, and go above and beyond their expectations whenever possible. Happy clients are more likely to recommend you to others or hire you again for future projects. Diversify your income streams. To truly make big money as a freelancer, it's important to diversify your income streams. Instead of relying solely on one-off projects from individual clients, consider offering additional services such as consulting or creating digital products that can generate passive income. Continuously upgrade your skills. The freelance market is constantly evolving with new technologies emerging every day. To stay ahead of the competition and command higher rates for your services, it's crucial to continuously upgrade your skills through online courses or attending workshops relevant to your niche. In conclusion, making big money with freelancing requires dedication, hard work, and strategic planning. By identifying your niche, building an impressive portfolio, marketing yourself effectively, setting competitive rates, networking, providing exceptional customer service, diversifying income streams, and continuously upgrading skills, you can transform your side hustle into a full-time success. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and perseverance. But by following these steps outlined in this ultimate guide, you'll be well on your way towards achieving financial freedom through freelancing. So why wait? Start implementing these strategies today and watch as you turn your freelance dreams into a reality.